Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to be working on a front porch sign for you. I'm going to go out to the workshop and we're going to pick some pallet wood to make this sign. It's going to be an upright sign and double-sided. So this can sit on my porch for the fall. I'll have a Thanksgiving side, and then day after Thanksgiving, I'll flip it over and it'll be for the rest of the holidays, the Christmas season. So let's head out there and see what we can find. All right, I picked out the pallet wood, we glued it together, and now I'm just going to take it out of the braces now that the glue is all dried. So we'll give it a good sand to get all of the dirt and grime off of it, make it nice and smooth, and then we'll add our stain. Let's go. When I say let's go, I mean, we're gonna go. I don't have to tell you we're gonna go. All right, all done with the staining. No, not staining. All done with the sanding. I didn't feel the need to really sand this down super smooth. I think it'll look pretty cool to still have all these like nicks, and it's gonna look a little rough, and that's okay. For the staining part, we are going to start with a preconditioner, as we always do, and then I'm going to put special walnut and finish it up with the classic gray. First, we'll wipe it down with a tack cloth. It's rough. Now this is a big sign, so we have quite a few big stencils that we need to weed. As you saw when I was doing the stencil, sometimes when you send these big pieces through, it doesn't exactly work out. I had to do this one a few times before I got it to work. When I first open up a new package of the contact paper, I like to go in ahead and cut the whole roll down to 12 inches, since that's what goes through the silhouette. It just makes it easier. And then I have that extra section that I can cut up and use with the mat. This stencil does have 2 layers to it, and so the leaf element, I have these leaves for the Thanksgiving side, and then I have holly berries for the Christmas side. So I'm going to place my words first, but the leaves are going to be placed on the sign first, and I will paint those. I just need to figure out the positioning of it. This is the hardest part. So many sticky things to deal with. Now, because this is palette wood and it's kind of rough, I will put just a small layer of Mod Podge on the seams so that my color won't bleed through. I want these leaves to just be subtle in the background, so I'm not going to do a full coverage with the color. I have this pumpkin from the Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to water it down so it'll be more like a stained effect for the leaves. So let's get to it. For the letters, I'm going to use the Waverly White, and this time I am going to do a full coverage on it. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed crafting with us today. If you feel inspired to create something like this, how about let us know down in the comments below? And don't forget to subscribe for more. We'll see you next week.